So I just came across this tool called Wait4X that helps wait for services to be ready. I mean, how cool is that?
Right, it's like having a reliable assistant that ensures all the right services are up before you dive into your application.
Exactly, it's especially useful in CI/CD pipelines. Imagine setting up your tests only to find a dependent service isn't ready.
Totally. It's like being late to a meeting because your GPS didn't check for road closures. So what can it actually check?
It can handle TCP, HTTP, DNS, and various databases. That's quite the versatility.
Yeah, but I wonder, does it support all scenarios equally well? For example, health checks for HTTP services.
Good point, it can check not just for status codes but also response body and headers. That's really thorough.
That begs the question, how does it handle services that might take a longer time to initialize?
It has exponential backoff for retries, so it doesn't just hammer the service repeatedly, which is smart.
I like that. It's a way to optimize how checks are performed. Are there limitations, though?
Well, it's still dependent on the network or service disruptions, so if a service is slow or fails, it might not be foolproof.
That makes sense. Relying on a tool without considering underlying network issues could be problematic.
And I appreciate how it can run commands after a successful check. It feels like a more fluid deployment process.
Definitely. Imagine automating your entire setup process. Makes local development so much easier.
Have you thought about how it integrates with Docker? I mean, services in containers can be tricky.
Oh yeah, Wait4X has Docker images. Just run a command and you're good to go without manual checks.
But isn't it interesting that even with all these features, it's still a single binary?
Right? It speaks to how clean and efficient they want their design to be. No overhead.
I wonder though, how does it deal with multiple services at once, like checking several databases?
It supports parallel checks, so you're not waiting individually for each service. Efficient.
That's quite clever, but it does raise concerns about what happens if one fails in the group.
True, it could cause a bottleneck. The whole process might be delayed if anyone's service lags.
Speaking of lag, it has options for setting timeout and intervals. That must help with unpredictable services.
Absolutely. It gives users control over how long they're willing to wait for those unpredictable scenarios.
And I love that you can specify different checking parameters based on what you need.
Exactly. It adds a layer of customization. You can even make your own checkers for specific needs.
That flexibility is huge. I mean, not every service will have the same readiness criteria.
For sure, customization might be the secret sauce that makes tools like this really valuable.
So in summary, it feels like Wait4X is a solid tool, but users should be aware of its limits, right?
Exactly. Understanding what it can and can't do is key to effectively integrating it into your workflow.
And it leaves us wondering what other innovative tools are out there that we haven't even heard of yet.
Totally. The tech landscape is ever evolving, so who knows what will emerge next.
And here's an interesting thought. What if we keep exploring tools that create dependencies?
Great idea. Understanding how tools interconnect could lead to better overall system reliability.
Nice. So it's all about finding that balance between automation and the unpredictability of services.
Absolutely. Automation is powerful, but we must keep an eye on underlying system health.
Can't wait to see how we might apply these insights to our own projects. That's where the magic happens.
For sure. Let's keep each other updated on what we discover next in the world of tech.
Agreed. Until then, let's keep questioning and exploring. There's always more to uncover.